I've been a pediatrician here in Oakland for 20 years and really felt very connected to this community. This is their most precious treasure. I bring that to bear in every kid that walks in through the door and really try to make sure that they have the best health care they can and that they can grow up to be healthy, happy adults. My name is John Pescetti and this is my story. Last March 8th, I was at Alta finishing up nursery rounds when I felt this discomfort in my chest, which really did feel like a little indigestion. But as minutes went on, it just got more and more intense. I know what was going on. I know that my arteries were plugging up and I didn't have a lot of time.
Well, I first met John when he was brought in by ambulance. It was brought directly to the Summit campus of Alta Summit. It was clear that he was having a major heart attack involving the front wall of his heart, the anterior wall.
Going through my mind was, number one, someone get a hold of my wife, and the other was maybe I wasn't going to make it. Maybe this was the end. This is the first time that I was in an emergency situation where really other physicians had to take care of me on an emergency basis. He did exactly what I would want a physician to do. He met me on a personal basis. He knew that I was anxious about how I was feeling and whether I was going to make it. They kept on reassuring me that everything was going to be fine, and in 27 minutes, everything was fine.
With John, I think it was easy to make a connection just as a fellow physician for me. I try to do that with everyone. I think that adds a lot to the success of whatever we're doing.
They helped me as a human being, and they treated me in a very humane and comforting manner, which made all the difference to me in those minutes. Well, I feel better than I've ever felt in my life. Having had another chance at it really makes every morning brighter than it was before.